If you miss this moment when growing peppers, nothing will help later. The fruits stay small no matter what you do. Most people completely ignore it and only realize much later where they went wrong. Today I'm not going to show you a typical fertilizer that everyone already knows. This is something most people have never tried, and the difference it can make on peppers can be huge. It all starts with rice. I take regular rice and grind it into a fine powder. I don't do this without a reason. When rice is ground, it becomes much more available to the microorganisms in the soil. Instead of just sitting there and breaking down slowly, it quickly feeds beneficial bacteria that actually feed the plant. These bacteria help the roots of the pepper absorb nutrients better and grow stronger. I then pour that powder into 500 milliliters of warm water. Warm water helps everything dissolve faster and starts the process we want. But this is just the base, because one ingredient that comes later makes the biggest difference. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of nettle. Nettle is naturally rich in nitrogen, but also in micronutrients that support the growth of green parts of the plant. It strengthens the plant and makes it more resistant, which is especially important in the early stages of pepper growth. But none of this has a real effect without one ingredient that most people literally throw away. It's the liquid from a can of fish. I add 2 tablespoons of that liquid into the mixture. It contains amino acids, trace minerals, and compounds that act as a natural stimulant for plants. This is something plants can use almost immediately, especially when it comes to growth and fruit development. But here's where most people make a mistake. They don't add one important ingredient, and that is sugar. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. It acts as quick fuel for microorganisms that start the fermentation and help create beneficial compounds for the plants. That small amount is the key. Then I let the mixture sit for 3 to 5 days in a warm place. During this time, a mild fermentation happens and useful compounds are formed that plants can absorb more easily. After that, I strain the liquid and dilute it with another 500 milliliters of water. I use this mixture to water my peppers every 2 weeks directly into the soil around the roots. After a few weeks, you'll start to see the difference. The plants will be stronger, more resistant, and the fruits will grow larger. And that's exactly why getting the quantity and timing right matters, because it's not about one ingredient, it's about how everything works together.